We're back at Spotify Camp Nou with a quick construction update. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. The lateral side is leading the way, with compression ring pillars rising, ceramic louvers spreading across the facade, and parking ramp works moving forward at ground level. At Goal South, facade supports are in place, platforms remain active, and interior finishing is slowly catching up. Over at Tribuna, prefabricated seating and stair units keep arriving, pushing installation toward the upper tiers. And at Goal North, new facade support connections are now appearing, confirming exterior works are expanding all around the stadium. Check out the channel for full, long-form breakdowns.